Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Kailang naihi pala ako. Hi guys! Welcome back sa aking channel. And for today, mag-unbox tayo at gagawa tayo ng review ng isang eyeshadow. I know na hindi naman talaga ako ganon kagaling. Well, hindi talaga ako ganon karunong, rather, na mag-makeup. Kaya sabi ko, I want to buy more eyeshadows. Bumili ako ng eyeshadow, na mura lang, para alam niyo yun, just for me, just to train myself to really know how to put makeup. I think I am at the phase of my life right now wherein I want to look good more on for myself, so I would be more confident, something like that. Pero, ayun, so ito din guys, bumili din ako ng wig sa Shopee. Diba? I mean like, but anyway, let's go back to talking about this eyeshadow. So, this one is from Glazed. Ito yung color board nila. It has 60 colors. So wait, open muna natin. So yung packaging niya sa parang envelope lang. Tapos pero meron naman siyang ito. Ano tawag dito? Bubble wrap pala. So, ito siya. Nakasupot pa rin siya dito. Okay, so kaya naisip ko din gumawa ng review while unboxing kasi naririnig ko sa iba na may amoy daw yung makeup. From the review sa Shopee, dun ko nakikita. Tapos, even my friend experienced na ang nabili niya is may amoy. So, ngayon, tignan natin kung may amoy ba talaga. So, okay. So, eto siya. Ito yung pinaka-packaging niya. Wait. Malabo ata. Or ay, mata ka lang yung malabo. But yeah, here you go. And then, at the back is, ito yung ingredients niya. And, yeah, basically the ingredients, directions, kung saan siya distributed. It's actually from, okay, Beauty Glaze. Not tested in animals. Okay, guys. I don't know if this is real, but I got this one from Beauty Glaze PH. And preferred naman siya ni Shopee, but medyo na-weirdan lang ako kasi Beauty Glaze don't tested in animals. That's just so wrong grammar, but aside from wrong grammar, yung pagka-print niya. So anyway, Meet Your Match Eyeshadow Tray Color Board Beauty Glaze. But yun nga, the reason why I got this one is, it's only 569 pesos. And for someone naman na mag-end up lang naman na paglalaroan yung makeup, I don't think I would buy expensive. This one eyeshadow, it's because I'm still learning. And yun. So, and I just really want something much more colorful. Kasi rather than buying yung mga morph na nakikita. Is it morph or morphe? I don't know. Don't hate me. Don't cancel me. But I'm still learning, guys. Pero yun. So, ito siya. It is sealed. Parang clip-on ba ito? May magnet siya. So, when you open it, it's just like this. And wait lang. Okay, ang okay na reaction ko. Pero, yeah, medyo strong yung, alam mo yung may amoy siya, but it doesn't smell like when you, pero kapag ka-inopen mo siya, hindi mo siya kaagad maaamoy yung amoy. Pero you have to like really sniff it first. Sniff. Yeah, kailangan niyo munang ganon bago niyo malaman na may amoy siya. Pero, oh my god. Okay, so medyo may dito, ang tawag dun? Basta parang yung sa powder. Pero sabi nila maganda daw yung powder nila. But I don't, yun. So, ito siya. It has I think this is supposed to be like green palette. This is red and orange. This are blue. Pero hindi parang, kasi may yellow dito. Actually, what I like about this are the glitters talaga. Nakaumbok siya because of the, Pero yun guys, before I use it, I'm just gonna do what my friends did. Nag-spray sila ng alcohol para, alam mo yun, para lang malinis. I mean, hindi ko alam, pero it doesn't, it smells like metal. Yeah, it smells like metal to me. It doesn't smell bad. I mean, it does smell bad when you sniff, but when you don't, it doesn't smell bad. Labo, pero yun. Oh, I think it only smells metal because of the magnet. Oh, no. No. Now I'm scared to use this. Tapos na akong mag-spray ng alcohol dito sa makeup. Pero napansin ko lang kasi na, alam mo yung parang pinaglagyan niya ng, yung parang, dito parang hindi ko alam, parang hindi na siya maayos. Wait lang, mayroong part. But yeah, I mean like, it's understandable that the package isn't really that nice. It's not, kasi it's super cheap lang, kaya, siguro ganun. But let's try. Gawa tayo ng look. And gamitin ko to. Hindi ko alam yung shades niya, pero ito yung gagamitin ko for the base. Ano ba yan? Napahirap natin yung sarili natin. Ito. This one. Okay, let's use it. Ooh. Let's use it, let's use it, let's use it. Wow, what a brave. Oh, I'm also using the brush that I got from Shopee. Oh. Ala! Grabe, hindi ko pa siya nalalagay sa mukha, sa face ko kanina. Diba may glitter na napumunta sa mata ko. Wow. Ngayong madaming color, di ko na alam kung ano yung gusto kong gawin. Kasi naka-purple ako, so ito tayo, mag-focus tayo sa kulay. Ayun. Ano yung pigmented na ba yung tawag doon? It's not, I don't know, is it supposed to be bad? Or hindi lang din siguro ako sanay sa brush na ginagamit ko. Oh my gosh. Parang bali na tested din natin kung okay ba yung brush na nabili ko. Because just really want to learn how to properly put on makeup. It doesn't smell as bad as I thought it would be. So, okay. So, di ko gets bakit okay naman. Okay naman so far. Pero parang alam mo yung pag dumikit siya, parang siyang powdered stain. Yung finish niya. Okay, now let's add glitter. See guys, since the thing is, sobrang simple lang kasi ayun lang. Ay, dumikit ng glitter. Ano to? Design lang, ganun. Try ko tong, ayaw niya. Ay, dumidikit siya dito. Pero ayaw niya dumikit dito sa brush. Pero kailangan madami. Madami kailangan. Noted. Oh, damn. It's my first time to use glitters. And probably the last. Because, oh my god, parang I'm risking myself to, It looks, oh my gosh, anong ginawa ko sa sarili ko? Okay, wait lang. Bakit ganun ang weird nung nung glitter. Pero sige, lagay pa din ako ng lagay. Maybe I'm just not gonna use the glitter anymore, but sige, panindigan natin tong look na to. Actually, I think parang okay na sana kanina. Just make sure you guys clean your makeup very well. Lalo na to na may glitters. So, ayun. But nagustuhan ko yung pagka-purple. Or siguro lang hindi lang talaga ako marunong. Hindi lang pantay, pero manageable. One day, guys, I'll learn how to really do my makeup. Okay. So anyway, this is how it looks on me. Ito yung gagamitin natin, yung brush na lagi kong gamit. I'm gonna try to do yung medyo red na look, red-orange, kasi gonna be shooting another pa. Kaya ayun. Gagamitin natin. Hindi ko alam kung ano shade, but they all look orange to me, so oh, damn! Hindi na ako gagamit ng glitters kasi ayoko na. Damn, guys. It looks so orangey. Hindi pala kita. But, yeah. I think it's because of the brush that I use. Kaya medyo nahirapan ako kanina. Pero ngayon, okay na, guys. So, I retract what I said. Retract. Okay. So, okay naman pala. Okay naman. Ayun. Ew! Ew, girl! I like it! So, naikalat naman talaga siya. Kaya, yun. So, it's good, guys. Overall, parang, I don't know, kasi takot ako gumamit talaga ng mga hindi original products, lalo na sa makeup. Kasi, it will harm my skin. Pero yeah, I think it's okay. Since, it's very, pasok siya sa budget po. Considering na ang daming bibili. It's only 569 pesos, guys. So, ayun. Okay naman siya. I mean, like, I am happy about it. But, I am happy because of the colors. Pero, parang hindi pa din mawala yung amoy masyado. But, I think that's because of the metal inside. Pero, di ba, all eyeshadows has metals naman yung mga ibang palette. Pero yun, guys. So, I suggest, buy at your own risk. For practice lang siguro, okay lang. I mean, kasi pag practice, hindi mo naman siya tatanggalin mo lang siya kaagad. Kaya, yun yung masasabi ko. If I were you, just wear it na lang. I mean, yun nga, for practice purposes, not for something that you'd wear long. Not unless you're actually willing to risk yourself from doing so. And, I hope you learned something from me. And, ewan ko, na-entertain ko sana rin kayo sa aking makeup. But anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell for new uploads. And of course, guys, mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong gusto ko pang i-try. So, yun guys, thank you for watching. Ingat!